AKTA Avant is a liquid chromatography system designed for fast and secure process development. AKTA Avant 25 is used for method development with small columns, and AKTA Avant 150 for scale-up columns such as high-scale or AxiChrom 50 and 70. Here we show you how to pack an AxiChrom 50 column using AKTA Avant 150 and Unicorn 6 software. AxiChrom is a sanitary design column platform that simplifies column handling at all scales, from process development to manufacturing. AxiChrom columns feature intelligent packing, providing pre-programmed, verified packing methods that save time and assure reproducible performance. Using the T-connector available in the tubing kit, the column is connected to the system with 5 tubes. Make sure that all connections are tight before starting a run, and that the column is level. Next, we create the intelligent packing method in Unicorn. This is done in the method editor by selecting the predefined method for intelligent packing. Select your column type from the column handling. The method then generates the packing procedure. When using Cytiva-approved packing settings, the given parameters are optimized to achieve a well-packed bed. If the slurry concentration of the medium is entered into the method, it automatically calculates how much medium is needed to achieve the correct bed height. Both the bottom of the column and adapter are primed manually to remove air from the bed supports and tubing. Slurry is first poured into the column and then filled with packing buffer. Use a media stirrer to make the slurry homogeneous. Rinse the media stirrer as well as the flange with packing buffer. Let the medium begin to settle so that a clear zone appears at the top. Place the adapter into the column at an angle to avoid trapping air under the bed support. The lid is easily closed using the bayonet fittings. Place a syringe on the vent valve to collect liquid when purging air from the hydraulic chamber. The intelligent packing method is started and guides the operator through the packing procedure. Pop-up windows with instructions for every step are shown on the computer screen. Operators more familiar with packing AxiChrom columns may want to use the touchscreen on the AKTA Avant system to run the method. When purging is complete, the adapter starts to move down and the bed consolidates. The time for the adapter to reach the bed depends on the bed height. These times are in the start notes. When the adapter reaches the consolidated bed, the operator confirms by clicking the Confirm and Continue button on the touchscreen on the system or on the computer screen. Mechanical bed compression begins, and the bed is compressed according to the selected packing factor. As default, the method runs 2 HETP tests. These will start automatically after completion of the pack. Here we show 4 HETP curves from 4 different AxiChrom diameters, demonstrating the scalability of the platform. Place a stop plug on the top mobile outlet and attach a tube to the lid. Then apply an upward flow. The bed starts to collapse as the adapter moves up. The adapter speed is stopped 2 centimeters before it reaches its top position. The lid is opened using the bayonet fittings. Lifting the lid exposes the hydraulic chamber, allowing hydraulic liquid to be removed using a syringe. The lid is closed again, and the adapter is run to its top position. The lid can now be opened and the adapter removed. The slurry can be poured out by simply lifting and tilting the column to the side. Alternatively, if the column is attached to the pivot stand, it can be tilted to empty. The pivot stand also simplifies changing the bed support. AxiChrom is a proven scalable platform with column tube diameters ranging from 50 millimeters and upwards. With intelligent packing, intuitive handling, and predictable scale-up, process chromatography is made easier, safer, and more efficient.